What's up everyone, this is Julius again from Ojasweb Digital Solution. In this video, I will give you 2 tips that will help you find highly relevant keywords that you can target in your Google Ads. These tips will be very helpful to you if you are advertising some sensitive product that you cannot easily find keyword for on Google Keyword Planner. For example, right now in my Google Ads account, if I go to my tools, then I go to the Google Keyword Planner. If I try to search for some keywords that I know are not allowed on Google, I might not find anything related to this keyword, and for that, I might not be able to get enough keyword that I can use to target my advert on Google. But with the help of these tips, you should be able to get some quality keyword that you can target in your advert so that you can serve your advert to the right people on Google and get some customer for your business. So right now, if I go ahead and type computer repair CBD oil, child adoption. If I just type random keywords like this and I go ahead and search for this keyword, I want to see what is available from the Google Keyword Planner. And you can see here some of the keywords were removed and want to be used for keyword ideas. You can see what I'm talking about now. These keywords are not allowed on Google, and that is why they are removed from the Google Keyword Planner. So if you are trying to advertise this type of business, you'll just realize you will not be able to get enough keyword that you can use in your advert, and this might be discouraging because you will not be able to serve your advert to the right people who are likely going to become your customer. But the tips I'm going to give you now will help you to find some relevant keyword that you can still use to target your advert on Google Ads so that you can reach the right people. Now, if I go to the bottom, you can see I am allowed to look for child adoption because that is the only acceptable keyword from the 3 keywords I entered into the Keyword Planner. So I will go straight now. I will talk about the first tip, and the first tip is going to be performed on Google search. So when you try to search for some keywords on Google, Google usually gives some keywords ideas at the bottom of the page. So if you go ahead and type maybe computer repair, so if you search for that keyword and you go to the bottom of the page, Google usually gives some related keywords that you can use to target your advert. So even if you are not getting keywords idea from your Google Keyword Planner, if you search on Google, with the help of these related searches, you can pull as many as possible keywords idea from here, and you'll be able to use all of these keywords to target your advert on Google. So that is the first tip. If you have not been able to get some quality keywords that you can target on your advert, or if you are trying to search on Google and you are not seeing any related keyword, it is probably because of the cookies in your browser. You can go ahead and use another browser. If you are using Google Chrome, you can go ahead and use Incognito tab, or you can go ahead and use Firefox or any other browser on your computer. You should be able to find quality related keywords that you can use to target your business on Google Ads. If I go ahead and search for something again like maybe CBD oil, I will go ahead and look at the bottom of this page and see if there are other related keywords that people are searching for. And you can see here, these are other keywords that people are searching for, and I can go ahead and copy all of these keywords and put them in my notepad and use them to target my advert on Google. That is the first tip I want to show you in this video on how to get some quality keyword that you can use to target your advert on Google Ads. Now, if you search for these keywords on Google, you see there are different websites that comes up on the top results. So if you go ahead and look at different results, you can see them. You see this one, cannabis CBD. You just look at it. Then what you want to do now is you want to look at any particular website that probably has a domain name that is customized for CBD. So if I go ahead and look around, if I can find anyone that talks particularly about CBD, like this one, projectcbd.org, then I can go ahead and open this website. Then once I open this website, I want to copy the URL of this website. So once I copy the URL, I will go straight to the Google Ads account. Then I want to search for this particular URL so that I can see if Google will be able to pull up some keywords idea for me from this particular website. So now I go to the start with a website, then I enter the website address and I want to search for the keywords from this website, if I can get some keywords idea from this website, then I might be able to use this keyword to target my advert on Google. So I have option to search for the entire domain or this particular URL. If you know the domain is very broad and you want to search for only a particular URL on that particular website, then you can go ahead and select this second option. That will help Google to look at the information on that page itself and give you relevant keywords idea from that page, and you can go ahead and use that keyword to serve your advert on Google. So now I click on search and I want to see what I got. I do not get anything from this, and that is because CBD oil is not acceptable on Google. I'll go ahead again and use the second option, use the entire domain. So I use the entire domain now. I click on get result. Now you can see now I do not get anything from this domain, and the reason is because there is CBD in this particular domain, which means that Google does not allow this. So in situation like this, you might not be able to find keywords with Google Keywords Planner, but if you go ahead and use Google search, you should be able to get keyword idea at the bottom of Google search. That alone will be enough for you to target your advert, and you should be able to use that to get quality traffic to your website. I believe you have learned something in this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask and I will address every single question. Thanks again and bye for now.